Hello guys, welcome to my channel with another video. Today I'm going to show you another app where you can earn ROX tokens for free with no investment required. I've already made a video showing the basics. If you want, you can check that out. In that video, I showed NC wallet setup, app sign up, and more, so let's get started. The link is available in the description box. Once you install the app from there, sign in, and you'll see an option where you can start earning free ROX tokens. I'll guide you step by step so you can follow along easily. Here on the homepage, you can see your energy bar. This shows that your ROX token mining is active. If your energy runs out, mining will stop automatically. Tap on the inhale or exhale buttons to increase your energy. After 3 hours, you can tap on the Get My ROX button here and your ROX token balance will be updated. Now, I'll show you how to withdraw your ROX tokens to your NC wallet. Tap on the balance option, and you'll see an interface like this. You can withdraw once you have a minimum of 0.1 ROX in your balance. Simply tap the Send button to complete your withdrawal. My NC wallet previously had 0.5 ROX, and now it has increased to 0.6 ROX. In this app, you can invest money to earn ROX tokens, but I don't recommend doing that because in crypto most of the time scams happen. So it's safer to earn income for free within the app. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and press the bell icon for more exciting crypto earning sites. And yes, if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.